Good morning, my family. Today is another blessing.
And another step closer to our dreams. I can't wait to finish university and make you proud.
We'll make it together, no matter what.
Walk with confidence, my children.
Remember, education is your key to freedom.
We won't let you down.
We carry your sacrifices with us.
This place feels like the beginning of everything.
And the future we've been dreaming about.
My children, stay focused. Challenges will come.
But you are stronger than them.
Things are getting harder. Fees, books, everything.
I know, but we can't give up now.
We will find a way.
This family never breaks.
These bills, they keep increasing.
I'll work more hours. I won't let their dreams die.
We'll fight this together.
Always together.
Fresh goods, come and buy.
We're getting closer, I can feel it.
Every step we take is for them.
And it will be worth it.
No distractions. This is our moment.
Long nights, but we'll succeed.
For our lovely mom and dad.
For our future.
Oh my God, I passed! I passed!
Yes, me too. We did it.
My children.
This is the reward of hard work and faith. Dad, Mom, this is because of you.
Your sacrifices gave us this life.
You made us proud beyond words.
Today we celebrate not just success, but family. We did it!
Yes, with God's faith, we did it.
We love you all.
When love, faith, and unity lead the way, no dream is too big.